Check these things out. Does anybody know what these are? They're here every year at this building we do during the summertime. I figure it's something with the sprinkler system, but not really sure. But I'm gonna hook up and clean this building. I have to go to Home Depot because that little green thing I showed you, I took it all off last year, every time fine. This year, she snapped. So I found it at Home Depot for 40 bucks. I'm gonna go pick it up for the customer, explain to them what happened, and leave it with them. But sometimes things like that, it sucks. I mean, it's just waiting for the next person just to do it. But it's good to just cover them and just take care of it. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot real quick. We're all done in Lafayette. 12:40. I'm gonna grab a couple small jobs on my way into Boulder, and then go do the large partition job. It's not really large. Probably take 2 hours. Partition office windows are probably, well, depends on what you get. We clean Hustler's office, yeah, Hustler, and their partitions are horrible. Horrible, no pun intended. This is Alex's bee friend.
It's not a bee, it's a wasp.
A wasp.
I murdered him.
She put him in the rubber because she don't like wasps. We don't like wasps. I hate wasps. I'm allergic to wasps. So today we already got our commercial work done. It's like 10:30 in the morning. We have 2 apartment condo type of things to do, outside only. Screw off some screens, and then we have one more house. So the first building is this one. The second building is this one, and then here is the house. There you go. So there's a Popeyes right there. That's an account I've been trying to get for a while, and their windows are dirty as hell. Cleaning in direct sunlight, you have to put a shitload of water up there. Someone told me in a video where I was using like a lot of water on windows right in the sun to wring out my mop. Trust me, man. If you're doing windows right, it's, you got a little bit of cloud right now, but you have to use a soaked mop or else you streak some things. My guess.